everyone, my name is Joyce and I'm in the Computex 2018 exhibition hall, and I'm in the England booth. So beside me is our new chassis, it's called 307.
Dieses Video wird euch vom Asus ZenBook S präsentiert. Weitere Details zum ultraleichten Notebook findet ihr in der Infokarte.
The interesting thing of the 307 is it is front panel. So you can see the front panel here. The LED can present different lighting mode. So now we are having the frame mode, and also they have a sensor on the top. When I tap it, it will be like disappear and comes up again. So I can show you different mode as well. So this is a clouding, and you can also change the color from the software behind. And we also, this is for the music rhythm, but we didn't connect it with the music yet, so maybe we will see the other effect later. And this is a very comfort effect for your nighting light use. And we have this colorful panel as well. And also the heartbeat, because it's very noisy around here. When you're at home, it is really clean, calm, and you can control the heartbeat from the sensor on the top. And also the ping pong, and also the time. And we also have the time counter. So in the Dual software, you can change into the different modes. So we have the color here, you can change. We have the clock timer here. And also you can change the brightness from here to the 7 or down to the 1. And also the speed. So about the body of the 307 is actually come from our 303 case. So also we include a 2-lace design, so you can easily to turn it up like this. And when you just come closer, you can see you can put 7 fans inside, and the airflow comes from the bottom and release from the back and the side. And the price of the case is €299, and it will be released on the Q4 this year.